Before you take that cough syrup, let's think about what kind of cough that you have. A lot of times cough syrup is used to suppress a cough, so if you have a productive cough where you're coughing up a bunch of gunk, you don't really want to suppress that because all that's doing is letting it sit in your lungs. So instead, helping it expel, taking hot showers that are nice and steamy, using essential oils will be really good. If it is a dry cough, it's more okay to suppress that because you're not getting anything up, therefore no infection is going to stay in your lungs.